Morning everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Yes students, today we'll discuss exercise of Unit 2 Hobbies Part B The Collectors. Students, I hope that all of you have read this chapter well and tried exercise also. Now beta, let's discuss it. B4 part beta. On the basis of your reading of the extract, complete the following statements. On the first day, Dr. Modi showed Jahangir his first stamp album. The next part, student. While flipping through the pages of the album, Dr. Modi's voice was charged with inspiration and his eyes started glittering. The next part, students. Jahangir wanted to see the album again because the album fascinated him a lot. Then next part, students. To begin with the stamp collection hobby, Jahangir bought a stamp album for beginners and a packet of 100 assorted stamps. Now students, let's move on to the part E. Dr. Modi was very happy on helping Jahangir because his deepest wish had been to share his hobby with someone coming true. The next one beta. Dr. Modi was happy with his young recruit because he could learn quickly, do work neatly, do work with dedication and paste the stamps on the hangs. Now students, let's move on. Part G. Jahangir was surprised when Dr. Modi showed him the biscuit and sweet tins because the tins were full of stamps, or we can say beta chock full of stamps. Both are correct here. Then beta next one. To become a good stamp collector, Dr. Modi advised Jahangir to make a lot of friends, exchange duplicates with friends, then become smart or tell your friends about your hobby. And last one, students, a good stamp collection depends upon the smartness of the individual. Like this, students, try to complete this worksheet. The extract describes two visits of Jahangir to Dr. Modi's house. The following points briefly described what happened in the two visits. कि two visits में क्या हुआ था? However, the points have got mixed. But बेटा ये सभी points कैसे हैं? Got mixed, mix करे हुए हैं. Sort out the points. बेटा find it करिए. Okay. Find out the points, sort out the points and list them under the two headings given below. Means first visit or second visit. Okay, read these points carefully and then better write down it's in first visit or it should be in second visit. Also arrange them in the correct order as they appear in the extract. Better find out करिए. Read the points first of all, then students find out and then बेटा आपको क्या करना है फर्स्ट विजिट के जो पॉइंट्स हैं बेटा वो फर्स्ट विजिट वाली टेबल में आपको राइट करने हैं and students those points related to the second visit write down there in the second visit column. Then students, let's read one by one. Expressed a desire to see the album again. It's in first visit. Dr. Modi advised him how to begin the hobby. First visit. Was wonderstruck by Dr. Modi's collection of stamps. Second visit. Saw Dr. Modi's first stamp album. Visit first. Wanted to be a stamp collector. First visit. Learned how to identify and sort stamps. Visit 2. Helped Dr. Modi to mount stamps in the album. Second visit. The album had a magical effect on him. First visit. Saw the biscuit and sweet tins full of stamps. Second visit. Beta, you can write down the number here first of all. Then beta, you can write down in the space provided to you points related to first visit and second visit. I'm repeating students these points. You can write down side by side beta. You can open your books and beta you can match these. Then beta expressed a desire to see the album again. Visit first. Dr. Modi advised him how to begin the hobby. First, was wonderstruck by Dr. Modi's collection of stamps. Second visit, saw Dr. Modi's first stamp album. First visit, wanted to be a stamp collector. First visit, learned how to identify and sort stamps. Second visit, helped Dr. Modi to mount stamps in the album. Second visit, the album had a magical effect on him. First visit and last one, saw the biscuit and sweet tins full of stamps. Visit 2. Here students you can write down in the first visit and second visit. Now beta let's move on to the next part. Time management is the cornerstone of success. Planning your week ahead helps you to manage time effectively. Now prepare your weekly planner below. Students, as you all know that if you want to become successful better, then you should manage your time effectively. And for that students, you should prepare a timetable and follow it strictly. Now students here, planning your week ahead helps you to manage time effectively. Prepare your weekly planner below. Here students, you have to make a weekly planner for yourself, and students do not forget to dedicate time to your hobbies and leisure activities, means free time activities. Okay, include your hobbies and leisure activities also in this timetable. And as we can say students, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Like this students, try to frame your timetable, what you will do in morning, in afternoon and in evening. For example students, on Monday we can write down in morning go to school at 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. whatever you can write down. Then in afternoon students take rest or take lunch, and students in evening we can write down like I will do my homework or play with my friends. Okay, like this students, frame a timetable here. Okay, frame a timetable here and try to follow it also. And don't forget to dedicate time to your hobbies and leisure activities. Now students, do life skills part yourself as per your wish. Let's move on to the B8 part, values. Nusravanji uncle gave Dr. Modi his first stamp album. Dr. Modi became a mentor for Jahangir. Our elders are a treasure house of knowledge and experience, but we often ignore them and fail to realize their importance in our life. Write 3 things which you would like to do for your grandparents and parents to make them feel special. Here students, in these column you have to write down 3 things which you could like to do for your grandparents, कि बेटा आप अपने grandparents के लिए और अपने parents के लिए क्या करना चाहते हो to make them feel special, ताकि उन्हें लगे yes we are special for our children. The students, for grandparents, what we can write down students? Beta here I have written some points, but you can add as per your wish. Okay, as per your wish beta, you can write down the points here. You can change these. Okay, for example beta, I would like to bring a surprise gift for them. Okay, for grandparents or for parents, any column. Okay, in any column students we can write down like this. I would try to help them. I would like to take them out in the evening for a walk, for a morning walk or for an evening walk. Okay, then students, I would play with them. I would spend time with them. Okay, and for parent students, what we can do, I would try to fulfill all their dreams. I would score good marks to make them happy. I would try to help them. Like this students, frame sentences here, okay, as per your wish, and then students write 3 things which you would like to do, जो आप करना चाहते हैं for your grandparents and your parents to make them feel special. Okay beta, now students, let's move on to the part B9. Match the following expressions from the passage with the ideas they convey. First one, students, feast of color and design. It means very attractive. Then flying past. It means, students, moving quickly. Then worked its magic. It means, beta, had a fascinating effect. Then rescue him. It means, beta, save him. Then mouth fell open. It means, students, was very surprised. Okay, I'm repeating. You can match with your book, students. Okay, whatever you have written there. Moving quickly. B. Save him. D. Means rescue him. Was very surprised. Means mouth fell open. Very attractive. It means feast of color and design. Had a fascinating effect. It means, students, worked its magic. Okay, like this, students, try to complete this part. Now, students, let's move on to the B10 part. Find words in the passage which mean the same as first one, giving a quick short look. From para 2, students, you can find out it means glancing. Then, students, part B, great. From para 3, students, we have to find out this. It's tremendous. Then C part, tuned set of bells. It means chime. From para 7. A new member. From para 8. It means, students, recruit. Then E part, students, shape with length greater than the breadth. It means rectangular. First one, glancing. Then tremendous. Then chime. Then recruit. And then rectangular. Now, students, let's move on to the B11 part. Jahangir begins to act on Dr. Modi's advice seriously. As suggested by him, he decides to make new friends and discuss his hobby of collecting stamps with them. Here is a dialogue between Jahangir and Mukund. Fill in the blanks appropriately to complete the conversation that takes place between them. Yes, students, let's read this conversation and try to complete it. First one, students, Jahangir. Hello, I'm Jahangir. I'm 12 years old. Mukund. Hello, I'm Mukund. I'm 13 years old. I love listening to music. I also like photography and collecting stamps. Then, students, Jahangir. Oh, I'm so glad. I have found a new friend. Even I have just the same hobbies as you have. Then Mukund. In that case, both of us can be good friends. How many stamps have you collected? Then Jahangir. I have collected around 50 stamps and most of them are from envelopes that my father throws away. Mukund. I also have some stamps. I will pass them on to you. Will you like to meet Sukanya, who has same hobby? Like the students, try to complete this worksheet. Okay, beta. And read next part of this chapter and try remaining worksheets. Okay, that's all for today, students. Thanks and have a nice day.